Good morning, everyone. Today we will talk about 100% made in Italy and why you should to choose an Italian brand.
CAM, the lead oxide specialists.
Hi, everyone. Today with me there is my father Fernando, the owner of CAM and the history of CAM because after more than 40 years worked here.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Yeah. And so today we want to talk about the Italian brand because as you know there are real 100% made in Italy company and fake made in Italy company. I mean a lot of company buy the raw material and other things, a lot of components outside of Italy, for example, China and so on. And as final step, they assembly and test their products in Italy. For the law, for the Italian rules, this is made in Italy. Today, we want to show you that CAM is always 100% made in Italy, from the design up to the welding, building, and test, and so on. In the reality, CAM is made in Fossa Cesia because all the buildings are made here in our headquarters by our operators, welders, technicians, and so on.
In any case, I can tell you, when we was young and we started with the company, the CAM company, in this area, in the center of Italy, there was no big opportunity for the industrial business. These areas in Italy, I mean, regarding 1967 and 1971, 72, we had no chance to have a support from outside suppliers. So that's why we decided to build everything here
Inside.
because otherwise we had no chance to produce anything. If we want to produce one ball mill, of course we have to do everything here. Otherwise, we have to buy from the North Italy, where the company, there are a lot of company able to support the production. Now we can say that that problem for us was a good opportunity, because now we have a company which is able to produce everything inside our company. We produce all the things that we need, so we don't need to buy nothing to outsider, and especially we don't need to buy from cheaper country, let's say China or India or what. So we produce everything here. That's why the big company in Italy decided to buy from our company, and they decided to support our project. So we are happy for that.
But in the end, why you should choose CAM or 100% made in Italy brands? Because we are able to guarantee for a long time our product and our service. For this reason, we can guarantee most than 1 year of the total guarantee. By our titanium guarantee, you will have a better life like a manager, like an operator, because at the end what is the main benefit of a ball mill, of a machinery? The main benefit is your life, is your healthy life during the standard day, during the work, and outside the work, because you know you may have a lot of calling, a lot of claims. For this reason, we can guarantee the best final product by our machines, because we are 100% made in Italy and we can guarantee what we produce and what we do. That's it.
In fact, when our client comes to visit us, for example, before the startup, before to ship the machinery, they come
Yeah.
here and they take a look what we do here. They are really surprised because everything is made inside. So that's why they are happy to keep in touch with us, because we can give a solution for the problem immediately. Our workers work with us from 35, 40 years, so they know everything. And when we send our technician to our client, we don't never send suppliers, we consultant or something like that. We send our technician and
Yeah.
we give the solution immediately. That's our power.
Yeah, that's it. And we can block our prices on spare parts. In fact, in the latest offers, we block our spare parts prices for 3 years. So, for example, if you buy today the MOP ball mill, you have the blocked price for the spare parts, and for 3 years we have the same price. That's it.
Because we have in our storage, we have
Yeah.
all spare parts ready.
Because
to ship.
we build everything here, and so this is come.
Exactly, and the spare parts is ready to ship to everyone. If they need some,
Yeah.
I don't know, if someone broke something, immediately we are ready to send. Or in just few days, they receive the equipment. We don't have to ask to anyone
Yeah.
for the spare parts, because the spare part is here.
Yeah. If you want to book a meeting with us, it's very simple. You can just click on the link below and book your meeting with us to talk about your needs, your problem, about your oxide production, curing chamber, and so on. I am Francesco and
Fernando Mafisi.
live from CAM, the lead oxide specialist. Bye.
Bye-bye.
CAM, the lead oxide specialists.